So here's what I'm going to show you the way to find the x-intercept. So let's enter the W curve function. So it's a polynomial, it's a 4-degree trinomial. So we'll start with x to the power of 4. And then minus 5x squared. And then plus 4. So we want to go to zoom and standard. So zoom 6, so that means it gives you the whole view of the graph. And as you can see that, you'll see 4 x-intercept right here, and also they're all symmetrical. Well, the reason why that it's symmetrical because that it's an even function, so it's to the 4 degree, and all the power here they're all even, 4, 2, and x to the power of 0. So let's start out with finding the first x-intercept on the left hand side of the graph. So once you go to second trace and then go to 0, and then you want to move the point all the way to the left. And this one is a decreasing curve, so that means the left bound it's right above the x-axis. So anywhere close to that x-intercept, and then press enter, and then you want to move that point down to the underneath the x-axis, so somewhere over here, and then press enter, and then you press enter one more time. So the first x-intercept is -2, 0. And then we go through the same process again, and then we find another x-intercept. So second trace, and then 0. So this part right here is an increasing curve, so we want to move the point a little bit over to the x-intercept. Again, it's increasing, so that means the left bound it's underneath the x-axis. So somewhere a little bit closer. Press enter. And then for the right bound, it's a little bit higher, but it's right above the x-axis. So make sure that the y value got to be positive, and then press enter, and then enter one more time. So it's -1, 0. Now you might be wondering, they're all considered integers. Well, for this case, yes, but sometimes they're considered rational or irrational. So it's going to be like a bunch of decimals or any irrational numbers.